Good morning students. Today we going to discuss about lesson 20 breeding and biotechnology. Introduction. What is important livelihood for the human beings? We depend on food for the plant and animals. Now I am going to start. Indian population is in the year 2050 is going to reach 1.7 billion is totally increased it is. The food production will be able to meet only 59% of people now. Current Indian food product is going to be it fulfill of 59% only. What about remaining? How can Indian food 1.7 billion people by 2050? It can be possible nowadays. Science, a lot of development and improvement in the various technology and various programming. So finally science is our life because everything we learning from our life. So science is a big branch. Let us see. Unit 20 breeding and biotechnology. In this lesson we are going to see plant breeding, animal breeding and biotechnology. Under the plant breeding, we are going to learn about green revolution and what are the methods we are following under the green revolution and what are the modern agriculture. Plant breeding. The art of developing economical important plants with superior quality. I say quality means the characters and changing the traits is the plant going to changing to characters and changing to traits. So finally plant breeding, the art of developing. Methods we following. First, crop improvement. Plant breeding, how to improve the quantity and crops, then varieties of crop as well as we have to improve the nutrients of value the crops. Plant breeding, it has been practiced for before 1000 we are getting years by using this plant breeding. We are getting various of and the crops and various varieties. I will say one example. Eggplant. 10 varieties of eggplant. Little green eggplant, white eggplant, Italian eggplant, Japanese eggplant and like that. So many varieties of plant are there, but everything under one species, that is eggplant. Only one plant various eggplant, various physical characters, but everything we say eggplant, not only eggplant. Some others fruits like mango, tomato, watermelon, various kinds of vegetables and fruits also having their varieties there. So everything can be done by the genetic engineering and biotechnology field. Plant breeding, the art of developing economical important plants with superior quality. Animal breeding aims at improving the genotypes and domesticated animals to increase the yield and improve the desirable qualities to produce milk, egg and meat. Selection is very important. Selection of the desirable characters for animals. What are the superior characters? They will take before you think from the animals for the superior characters. Getting on. Egg, meat. So these are superior characters for the animal selection for the animal breeding. Now it is also involved the breeding of animals. Improving of aims at genotype of animals to make them more useful to the welfare of mankind. Using the modern biology to develop the advantage technique like healthcare, product diagnose diseases and improving the food production. So everything comes modern biology using the biotechnology. Next, biotechnology. Bio means living organism. Technology, scientific knowledge or practical purpose. It is the branch of biology that involves application technology, is utilizing the living organisms or their parts to produce product useful for humans. Especially we going to learn specific industry, that is biotechnology. Our India backbone is agriculture. So we are dependent on food, plant and animals. Next topic, modern agriculture practice and crop improvement. Now we are to 2020. Now can see modern agriculture. It is the modern agriculture but the steps are same only. That is preparation of soil, sowing of the seeds, using manures and fertilizer, irrigations and the harvesting, threshing and storage, all process same only, ancient to modern agriculture within the same process and it between the using the science technology. Using the modern agriculture going to improve the crop improvement. Agriculture crop improvement. What is aim of crop improvement and why improve the crops? So already we said the increase of the population and then we get better quality like that. Is it? The same reason for the aim of crop of improvement, that is developing the improved crop variety for their higher yield and then better quality and the resistant to diseases and shorter duration. We all need a food but we can't wait for a long time. Is it? That is short duration.